I wanted to talk a little bit about using the z-table that's in the back of the book and how you can interpret the z-score. And I'm just going to use an example here from the book on page 210. They're talking about finding a percentile, which is the percentage of area to the left of some number. And they say that cholesterol levels of men 18 to 24 have ages that are normally distributed. So we can then use the normal distribution to approximate probabilities. Now we're given a mean of 178 and a standard deviation of 41. And they want us to standardize this score of 190. So what they're trying to do is say how far is 190 away from 178. And you might say, well, that's 12 units. And that is true, but that's in terms of how cholesterol is typically measured. In statistics, we measure things in terms of standard deviation units. So in other words, we have to kind of convert this like you would convert, say, feet to meters. And we need a little formula here to do that. So we're going to see how far 190 is away from 178 in terms of standard deviations, or how many 41s that is there, that difference is. So we take the z-score formula and we put the 190 minus the mean all over the standard deviation, 41, and it comes out to be about 0.29. So now we have to look that up on the z-score table because we just standardized this, so we need the standard normal distribution table. And we're going to go to the next page and see this is an abbreviated table. Here's standard score, that's the z-score that we just got, and it runs from negative 3.5 always up to 3.5. So we need to find approximately 0.26, and 0.25 is the closest. It's roughly about 60%. So we'd be at about the 60th percentile. Now if you want a little bit bigger table here, we can go to 446 in the back of the book. So if you go into Appendix A, you'll see the z-score table gives us the area to the left of z-values. So there's a little picture here showing this. We'd put our z-value on there. Negatives are to the left of 0. Positives are to the right of 0. So the R value would be over here somewhere to the right. And we would find the area under the normal curve to the left of 0.26. So these are the negative z-values, and we go to the next page to get the positive z-values here. So remember, this table's bigger because it's going to give us a little more precision in the answers. And if we look at 0.26, I got 0.2 here, and then we got to go out to the right and 0.06 to get the second decimal. So again, 0.26. We got 0.6026, so roughly about the 61st percentile. And if you wanted to do some negative numbers, let's go back to the other side. If you wanted to find, say, negative 1.65 something, you would go down here to negative 1.6 and out to the 0.05 column. So negative 1.65 would be about 0.0495. This is the area to the left of negative 1.65 on that table. Okay, or under the normal distribution curve. 0.83, let's find that one. Let's go down to 0.8. And where's the 3 column at? Over here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So the area to the left of negative 0.83 would be about 0.2033. And again, we'll go one more over to the positive side and do 0.67, 0.7486.